Welcome to Tech Crumbs, where we break technology into smaller pieces. Today I want to show you how to use the light meter on the Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. It's fairly simple, but it's also very simple to get wrong. First of all, when you turn on your camera, which is pressing that button, you'll see that the light here is turned on, and there's different icons. We have like a house inside, there's like a little square inside the house, we have a little cloud, a sun, like a very bright sun, and high key. So when you want the picture to be correctly exposed, all you have to do is point the camera to your subject. And this here is a little light sensor, which will understand how much light there's in the scene and give you the according light point. So very simple. If you're indoors like we are now, it'll point to there. But if you're in a cloudy day, it'll point to there. And if you're in a sunny day, there, like a medium sun. And then if you're high sun, you'll be here. Each stop basically indicates a smaller hole in the lens, so the light that goes to the film will be perfect and you'll get great shots. It's very important to take care of that when you're shooting with the Instax Mini 9. If not, you'll get dark shots or too much light in your shots. And then there's one last setting, which is high key, which basically means you'll get like higher whites, so a bit more washed out picture. If you kind of like that look, you can do it. Just go to high key and take a picture with that. But yeah, make sure to point this to your subject, which is very normal that when you're shooting, you basically look upwards and you're pointing at the sky and you're getting a higher value. So do remember to look at it when you're shooting. Like you saw right now, it changed to cloudy because there's, more light or less light. If I point out towards the light source, you'll see it changes, but as I point sideways, boom, it goes straight. So this is basically the way the light meter reacts. You want to match the LED point to what you're taking, and that's how basically you shoot with it. The flash will always go off, so you can't turn it off. So make sure to take into consideration that, and when the camera's off, it won't let you select anything. So when you got any setting and you turn the camera off, as you see, it resets itself. So yeah, that's how you adjust the light meter or use your light meter on your Fujifilm Instax Mini 9. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.